Diagnosis. As per WHO China Joint Commission report, let's look into case definition of suspected case, probable case, confirmed case, close contact of a probable or confirmed case. Beginning with suspected case. Based on the epidemiological characteristics observed so far in China, everyone is assumed to be susceptible, although there may be risk factors increasing susceptibility to infection. A patient with acute respiratory tract infection, that is, sudden onset of at least one of the following: cough, fever, shortness of breath, and with no other etiology that fully explains the clinical presentation, and with a history of travel or residence in a country or area reporting local or community transmission during the 14 days prior to symptom onset, or a patient with any acute respiratory illness and having been in close contact with a confirmed or probable COVID-19 case in the last 14 days prior to the onset of symptoms, or a patient with severe acute respiratory infection, that is, fever and at least one sign or symptom of respiratory disease, that is, example, cough, fever, shortness breath, and requiring hospitalization, that is, severe acute respiratory infections, and with no other etiology that fully explains the clinical presentation. Now, let's look into what is probable case. A suspected case for whom testing for virus causing COVID-19 is inconclusive, according to the test results reported by the laboratory, or for whom testing was positive on a pan-coronavirus assay. So, what is confirmed case? A person with laboratory confirmation of virus causing COVID-19 infection, irrespective of clinical signs and symptoms. What is close contact of probable or confirmed case? Close contact of probable or confirmed case is defined as a person living in the same household as a COVID-19 case, a person having direct physical contact with a COVID-19 case, that is, shaking hands, a person having unprotected direct contact with infectious secretions of a COVID-19 case, example, being coughed on, touching used paper tissue with a bare hand, a person having face-to-face contact with a COVID-19 case within 2 meters and more than 15 minutes. A person who was in closed environment, example, classroom, meeting room, hospital waiting room, etc., with a COVID case for 15 minutes or more and at a distance of less than 2 meters. A healthcare worker or other person providing direct care for a COVID-19 case, or laboratory workers handling specimens from a COVID-19 case without recommended PPE, that is, personal protective equipment, or with the possible breach of PPE. A contact in an aircraft sitting within 2 seats in any direction of COVID-19 case. Travel companions or person providing care, and crew member serving in the section of the aircraft where the index case was seated. If severity of symptoms or movement of the case indicate more extensive exposure, passengers seated in the entire section or all passengers on the aircraft may be considered close contact.